The Dell XPS 8960 desktop is a powerhouse designed for peak productivity and uncompromising performance. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this desktop in the description below at the latest price. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or business professional, this desktop is built to keep up with your most demanding tasks. At the heart of the Dell XPS 8960 lies the ultra-powerful 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900K processor. With a base speed of 3.2 GHz and a massive 36 MB cache, it handles multitasking, large datasets, and creative workloads with ease. This desktop isn't just about speed, it's engineered for stability and thermal efficiency. The spacious internal layout maximizes airflow and reduces system noise, making it an ideal choice for home or office environments. Equipped with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM, the system offers up to 60% faster clock speeds compared to older DDR4 technology. This means smoother transitions between tasks, quicker load times, and better responsiveness when using memory-intensive applications like Adobe Premiere, Blender, or large Excel sheets. And with 2 TB of SSD storage, you'll have both the space and speed to store and access large files in seconds. Graphics performance is where the XPS 8960 truly stands out. The dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory transforms your visual experience, whether you're gaming at ultra-high frame rates, editing 4K video, or exploring complex 3D environments. This GPU is also optimized for AI workloads and rendering acceleration, making it a powerful ally in both creative and technical fields. What sets this desktop apart even further is its future-proof build. The internal components are easily accessible, giving you the freedom to upgrade memory, storage, or graphics down the road. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, offering a secure, professional-grade platform with all the latest productivity tools and enterprise features. The Dell XPS 8960 isn't just built for today, it's built to evolve with you. It's a rare combination of raw power, smart design, and long-term versatility, all wrapped in a sleek platinum silver chassis. Whether you're pushing the limits of creative software or just want a system that stays cool and quiet while you work, this desktop delivers on all fronts.